If you're wondering how to track business miles in Navan, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in the simplest way possible. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or just someone who wants to get their travel expenses under control, tracking business miles in Navan is a total game changer. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of how to use Navan for tracking those miles, and you'll be able to maximize your productivity and keep things organized. Plus, I'm going to share how you can try Navan for free, so stay tuned. Navan offers an intuitive platform that makes business travel, including tracking your miles, effortless. The first step to tracking your miles is linking your account to the Navan app. Once you're set up, you can start tracking your trips directly within the app. You can manually add your business trips or automatically sync your travel data, depending on your preferences. It's that easy to get started. When it comes to tracking your miles, you can use the app's built-in GPS feature. As you travel, Navan automatically tracks your route and calculates your miles, so there's no need for tedious manual logging or worrying about missing any trips. This means that every business trip you take will be logged, making it easier to keep track of everything for expense reports or tax purposes. Now, let's say you're driving from one client meeting to another. You just hit start on the app, and it starts tracking your trip. When you're done, you can simply click stop, and the app will calculate the total miles driven, assigning them to the relevant business purpose. It's perfect for freelancers, small business owners, or anyone looking to keep their business travel organized without the hassle. Navan also allows you to categorize your trips. You can easily differentiate between business and personal travel, ensuring your mileage logs are accurate for your deductions. If you're using Navan for multiple employees, or if you're tracking business miles for a team, you can use their management tools to keep everything in order. Each team member can sync their travel data with the platform, ensuring complete transparency and accuracy. The integration of Navan with accounting tools is another huge perk. Once your business miles are logged, the data is ready to be exported to your favorite accounting software. This means you don't have to manually input your mileage data every time you file an expense report or prepare taxes. Navan's seamless sync with accounting platforms ensures your records are always up to date. In addition to the mileage tracking, Navan provides in-depth analytics, helping you gain insights into your travel patterns, costs, and overall efficiency. With detailed reports, you'll know exactly how much you're spending on business travel, allowing you to make smarter financial decisions moving forward. Lastly, Navan's mobile app makes it easy to track your miles on the go. Whether you're traveling locally or across the country, you can always access your mileage records, and you'll have everything at your fingertips when you need it most. To wrap up, tracking your business miles in Navan is incredibly straightforward and saves you time, effort, and money. If you're new to the software, don't worry. You can get started for free by using the first link below. And as a bonus, I've got an exclusive offer for you to get an extended free trial of Navan, so you can experience all of its features with zero commitment. So if you're ready to simplify your business travel and track your miles effortlessly, check out Navan using the link below. Thanks for watching.